Yo, yo, yo. Good evening, all my YouTube friends and family. Should say good morning. It's about just a hair bit after midnight. We just got back from the chase. You guys, that video is up finally, and so please feel free to watch that. But we just got back from that chase down in Texas, and ultimately then today we had to go shoot some video, try to get some video for the networks and LSM and get it up of flooding. We actually had some additional flooding here in Missouri, and so we're in Missouri now, and got some pretty good flooding video, just straight B-roll video that I'm gonna show you here in just a few minutes. The location of our flooding video was right on KK Highway and near Osceola Road, so it was way back in the sticks, right on the Finley River. The Finley River was way out of its banks, and ultimately I actually took the drone up and shot some drone video of that as well, kind of going over it, back and forth and showing it a little bit. But that's what we've been doing thus far, and prepping for some of our day tours. We've got storm chasing season right up on us. I mean, as you guys could tell the other day, got a little bit excited on my Facebook live video. That it happens on the first storm of the year. It happens, first real storm of the year. And that was a beauty, big monster supercell. But with that said, we're gearing up for the chase season. The tours will come. Of course, we're going to be running some of the day tours first, and then of course we'll get into full swing of the tours. And then of course we'll obviously during the tours we'll obviously try to get the data as such. So we'll try to set the probe out. Packertex will, me, Randy, and everybody will do that while we're actually on tour as well. So some of our guests will get to see some of that as well. So it'll be kind of interesting. You never know what you're going to see, so I would advise you guys, I'm asking you, please subscribe, hit that bell, like it, subscribe, share, whatever. You never know what you're going to see this year. We're going to try to do a live video here on Facebook of maybe one of our chases or something, and that way you guys can see it live. But we're not far from 1,000 subs, so I think about 7 or 8 more and we're at 1,000. Here's some video. Hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, whatever. Keep it real, folks. Storm season is about upon us. It's spring, I smell it. We might get some snow or some cold weather coming in the 1st of April. You heard it here first. But after that, all bets are off. Thanks for watching, guys.